Oh no, a round object has entered my area. What is this thing? Is it spherical? Yes, it appears to be spherical. I wonder if I can pick it up. Let's try here. We'll grab it with the teeth and yes, yes! Oh, it's squishy! Why is it squishy? Oh, check it out. Look, I have a ball. See the ball? It's adorable! Hello and welcome back to Patriot Contraptions. Today we are checking out this cute little 3D printed robot arm called the EezyBot robot. The EezyBot robot arm is a fun little project that I printed up over a weekend. And I decided to do it in two colors just because I think it looks better. Now, as for the reason behind this, the original idea behind this robot arm is to teach people to learn how to program like an Adreno controller to control the robot arm. However, my Adreno programming skills are not far enough along yet to be able to actually program an Adreno to control this robot arm. So instead, what I'm doing is I'm using an RC plane controller to drive the robot arm instead until I get my Adreno skills up to snuff. So as you can see here, I've got the regular jaws of the robot arm hooked to one of the toggle switches at the top, and then I'm controlling the other three axes with the regular joysticks on the RC plane controller. For power, I have an 11-1 battery hooked to an EC, which is then hooked to a motor, which is just there for providing power and nothing else. So just so long as I don't hit the wrong toggle switch, everything's good to go. Now, as far as what I plan to do with this in the future, really it's just for playing around at the moment. It's good at picking up these little Nerf balls that I have all over the house and putting them down again and just getting used to how the robot moves and works. However, I would like to at some take a shot at programming it and hopefully teaching it to do this all by itself, as I think that would be a lot of fun. However, I did bump into one other problem. The robot's tendency to take over the world. So I'm trying to curb this from it, but am having a little bit of difficulties as it's already taken a liking to my 3D printed parachute guy and is constantly picking it up and dropping it. So, if you think there's a robot apocalypse in the future headed up by this little guy, please leave a comment below on how we'll survive it. And until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. Patriot Contraptions, signing out.